If you guys are following up here, doing this every day, first of all, thank you. I appreciate being disciplined and following through with doing this every single day. But if you are, this will be Thursday, August 12th. As we can see here, we have special plural nouns. Now, I'll be honest, special is kind of the kind term. You're going to see or maybe hear me say irregular plural nouns. That's kind of what I'm used to saying. The kinder way to say it is special plural nouns. But basically, the reason I like calling special plural nouns irregular plural nouns is because, one, it's saying the same thing, and two, irregular is better said because they're just simply that. They're not regular. I know that yesterday that was a lot of different rules to go through and to keep straight and to keep looking back at the chart. You're exactly right. You've every right to say that. But at least there were some rules. Today, a lot of these special or irregular plural nouns don't follow any rules. But even though they don't follow any rule, I bet you probably know more of these than you think. Because your mommy, daddy, auntie, grandma probably taught you exactly how to say it, or you grew up knowing how to say the correct plural form every single time. For instance, if you have one child, well, over there might be 3 children. Correct. Not many people say childs because that doesn't sound right, right? 1 child, 3 children. Same with kind of another common one. There's 1 man over there. Over there I see talking for, not mans, but men, right? Same with women. 1 woman, 4 women. Those don't follow a rule. There's no rule that says, well, sometimes if it's an A and N, you change the A to E, and there's no rule. Some of those you just have to know, and again, you probably know more than you think. But you probably learned a few new ones here too, but these are all special or irregular plural nouns that just don't have rules. Here again, I put a thing here, follow the charts. Follow the charts because that's really, really going to help you, in my opinion. Here's some, again, sometimes the word may completely change its form when a plural is made. Notice it doesn't have any kind of rule like we went through chart after chart yesterday or pretty much all week, right? But the example I gave you, 1 child, 2 children, right? Here's a couple more. Well, there's 1 person. Well, at church I saw a lot of people, right? Man to men. Something we might be used to. You might have a cactus in your front yard. If you go to, driving down the road, you might see many cacti. Cacti is the correct plural form of cactus. 1 cactus, many cacti. The same as fungus and lots of fungi. Woman, women. And this is kind of a fun one. There's 1 goose, and maybe up in the air you might see a whole bunch of geese. There's no rule that says if it's O-O, change it to E-E. Something you just got to know. You might hear yourself say, gooses? That doesn't sound right. And you're correct, because it's not. But geese is the correct plural form. Here's a whole nother chart. Some of these we already went through. But again, some of these you might be very familiar with. Hey, I lost a tooth. Your big cousin might come in and say, I've lost several teeth, right? Oh no, we have a mouse in the house. Well, good thing we don't have several mice. My foot itches. Good thing both my feet don't itch. There's 1 ox and there's several oxen. Some of those you might be used to, some of those might be new, but no rules to follow. You just kind of got to know them. Here's some other ones, and I don't know if you're noticing something a little weird about this one, but are you seeing that sometimes they don't change at all? Like this, 1 fish, well, there's many fish. Same thing. 1 trout, I guess stick in the fish category. Many trout. There's 1 sheep, there's many sheep. One, I like this TV series, or I like all the TV series. It's just what it is. Moose. Well, if there's more than one, you still call them moose. Same with deer. I don't know what it is with animals and not changing from singular to plural, but that's just how it is. Maybe you shot a deer going hunting. Maybe your dad talks about all the deer he shot, right? Singular, plural, same exact form. And I'm sure you don't use tuna in a sentence all that often, but if there's one tuna, there's a bunch of tuna. Singular and plural is the same. Going to your assignment is again, I know you keep hearing me say this a lot, but look at the chart. That's really going to help you. Basically, by the chart here, in this case, I mean the word box. What you're going to do is have the singular noun here and look in the word box here to find the correct plural noun. So one woman, there you found the correct plural. Several women, you would write women here. One child, 3 children. You got it right here. Right here. If you need some help, let me know. Lord's blessings to you guys. Have a wonderful day as you praise your Savior.